It's
not even
popping.
recording me.
It's
I'll
popping.
prove it to you guys by when I get netherite, it'll show me the netherite achievement.
So what's poppin'? We are in this Minecraft server that we have been working on for a while. This is the little thingamabob that I made. It's the way of getting food besides murdering sheep.
Let's show them the tour. This is my house.
Yep, and then let's just not go to my... No, not yet. Let's go to the luxurious houses first. This is Nolan's.
Hunter's house. That was actually, like, my friend Cole's house. So this is
Cole's
house.
house.
It's not finished yet, I hope.
And then,
Addison's house.
how does this look better than Nolan's house? I thought Nolan was good at building. He still is. But, like...
It's just that Addison's old.
Well, then again, this is survival mode. Nolan is insanely good at building. It just depends. Like, he probably didn't have enough materials. Well, then again, he's still good at building, like, insanely good. Then there's Cole's old house. Now he lives with Jasper.
No, he moved out with me again. And then, the surprise you guys have all been waiting for, Hunter's house.
That is not finished. It has a hole in the side. That is awesome.
Nothing can go.
Those are just my stuff. Don't take my stuff. Hey. Oh yeah, storage.
Sorry, I took your iron for you. Yeah, sorry, but I gave it back.
Oh yeah. I made that for Nolan. So now we have iron tools, and we don't talk about what I just did. We don't talk about that.
What did you just do? Alright.
I'll do it again. Yeah. Oh wait. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Real quick. Let's show them our little secret.
No, let's show them the mine first so they believe us.
I wasn't in the mine, so actually I can't back that up.
Oh.
You have full diamond armor.
And my fence mine. 30 people who like me in the world. Up to 7 billion.
My forehead hurts in Minecraft.
This is all of it. Found some stuff. All this. And then this is when I really started finding things. Like you can see, I've just been digging stuff up left and right. And then I branched off into all of these, and
he has 6 stacks of redstone dust.
I don't know. 1 redstone gives you 7 redstone. Like, it's kind of easy to find redstone. And then you go over here.
I killed a zombie to get my thick helmet. It's loaded with lots of cap.
And
Oh yeah.
then you go to the amethyst geode. And then you know that. And then you go. And keep in mind, I got all that without torches. So it was really hard to me. Then we kept going, and then I found some stuff in the water.
Wow.
Oh yeah, and then I don't think I found anything but coal here. So yeah. Alright, Hunter, I'm coming back to you.
Yep.
And there's this is completely vanilla Minecraft. No mods, no cheats, yeah. Oh, and I have been streaming on my Twitch. I'll link that up to my YouTube. You can see like some mining that I've been doing on that too. Ooh. Jasper on fridge. Is the Twitch? No, I'll put the link to it.
I may or may not have just been fighting water for the past 10 minutes. I've been battling with the water that you did not tell me was above us.
But before we do that, you are little me and Hunter and Addison, and maybe we'll
Crouch.
go on.
No, Edison should probably not know about that. She already knows that. I made the TNT. TNT and stuff. Wait, are you already back?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
We have TNT and stuff, so we can blow up stuff. We can make big boom.
Yeah, but we won't do that. Right?
Unless of course somebody decides to. Unless of course somebody decides.
Right, Hunter?
Yes. Oh no, Skelly Boy. Skelly Boy dead.
One bookshelf. 15 to go.
What is? Why 15? Explain.
Need 16 bookshelves for the enchanting table.
Really?
Yeah.
What? I did not know that. I need to get good at Minecraft.
Yeah, you probably should do that.
Yo, bro, I don't know if like where the entrance is, so I'm just going.
He's just going for it, boys.
Found the stairs.
Okay, I think we have enough paper. We just need leather.
I don't know how to get paper, and there are no cows anymore. I killed every single one.
That's why you gotta go into a different island.
Okay, I'll go search far, but like I do not want to be too dangerous. Like.
Here. I'll do it myself, little frickin' Timmy. How much leather do you have?
None. I already told you this.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm just trying to let the viewers know.
I had a bunch leather. I had a bunch. What the heck is my community? Oh, there's a cow.
You just realized.
Yeah.
See? There it is. There's the achievement. Now you know I'm not hacking. Hey. Give me the leather so I can, why did it not let you pick it up? Okay.
Did you get it?
Yep.
Ooh, yes, you got leather.
Alright, go to bed.
Ooh, more leather. You can kill.
Give it to me.
I can't pick it up.
Oh, that's 3 more books.
Bro, all you have to do is kill the llamas. They give you a bunch.
Llamas?
They give you a lot.
Maybe I should be the one getting good at Minecraft.
Yeah, I just tried it. Like, I just tried killing it because you killed the 1007 monsters. Sorry, it's my Xbox chat on my computer open.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Since when?
Since today.
I got it today?
No, you've had it.
Yeah, I've been playing Minecraft for like a couple of months, so.
A couple of months? Like, Jesus. It's just now that I started getting good at doing critical hits. You guys all have roofs. I kind of don't. But then again, you guys are creating houses that can fit like 17 people.
And you're not.
Yeah, because it's a single person house.
Should
And
I
that is temporary.
You know what? I gotta have Olin in my house. But it's not good enough to craft the bed.
Bro, I built a small house originally because there wasn't really a spot for me to build it because I didn't want to build it in between everything in the middle.
You guys wanna know where Olin's sleeping when he comes to my house?
But then you guys cleared this up, so now I can. There's a cow. There's 2 cows. There's cows everywhere now.
Whoa. I just told my fans something. Isn't it kind of funny how like 12 people, 33 don't have YouTube, but you know.
Oh no, ouchie.
A lot of damage. What's you ouching about?
There's a thingamabob shooting me.
We've got 2 bookshelves, 14 to go.
Oh crap.
You've gotten no leather, my friend.
I've actually gotten 3
You've
leather.
gotten 3 leather, my friend.
Plus that leather that I already gave you. I have 3 leather in my inventory. I've been killing cows. I've been killing cows and stuff, but I'm about to die. It only sometimes drops it, I found out. See, sometimes. Oh yeah, but here's 3 leather.
Oh, 3 leather? Oh, thank you. We have 7 leather. You see. Wait, I mean, it was a difference.
I did a big brain play. I made charcoal.
Yeah, so big brain. Guys, let's big brain.
What?
4 leather. I already forgot how much we have. Okay, we got wait. Yeah, 4 leather, 12 more to go. I mean, 4 bookshelves.
Whoa. Where the heck did Addison get a golden enchanted chest plate?
Call another portal.
You guys didn't make another portal.
Yeah, it's another. You know, like. Here, let me show you where it was.
Oh, whoa.
Come on. It's
Oh,
like
that thing.
the broken nether portal. What's it called?
Broken nether frame or whatever. As you shove dead pig into your forehead.
Not like that. Here's the number. Sight. That's the wrong number. 5 bookshelves. 11 more to go.
Wow. Chai chai kapow.
Alright. We need Hunter.
Yeah.
Go get leather.
I am working on it. Let me clear my inventory of things I don't need yet.
I think okay. Sure, I'm just gonna stream, bro. Honestly, I kinda don't wanna do anything else. I'm just gonna do it.
I gotta finish this video up soon or else my phone is gonna be no storage. So, peace out, guys. We're gonna keep grinding on this server. So next time we're probably gonna all have full netherite armor enchanted and you won't ask any questions, right?
No, we're
I know.
show them the nether.
I was joking.
Also, we're gonna show them the achievement that we got from doing
I don't know how to look at the achievements, but yes, we will. I have more leather for you. 3 leather. Bam. I got 3 leather right here for you.
You do?
Yes.
Okay, well, they already have seen that I just got the achievement. I just got an achievement to, like, bookshelf boy. I don't know what it's called.
Okay.